Hey Mina, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A fairy.
Who says you have to wait to grow up to become a fairy? Just getting materials for this project was a task in itself. That's really all I have to say about that. Okay, actually no. It was really hard to translate everything from English into Korean so that I could find all this stuff online to order, because I kind of can't go out to buy all this stuff right now because of the pandemic. Okay, that's all I have to say. Now take a moment to enjoy the sewing noises. Call me silly, but I feel like my viewers would be somewhat like me. And seeing as how I like to listen to sewing sounds, I thought that maybe you would too. Okay, that's enough of that.
엄마 근데 이거 좀 뜯어주세요.
Alright.
이거 만지면 안 돼요.
That's right.
어른들은요?
Yeah, mommy can. There you go. What do you say?
땡겨.
You're welcome. I'm done. I didn't explain putting on the gemstones and stuff, but I'm sure you'll figure that out. My 5-year-old once told me that my nose looked like a dinosaur. And now I can see why. That actually looks better on. I would show you what it looks like on my 5-year-old, but I don't do the whole sharenting thing, so, I also bought this green wig, and I need a reason to wear it. It'll look better once I style it, right?